Taking Pride is a 6-week intervention aimed at reducing dating violence among LGBTQ2S+ youth. The weekly workshops cover topics like communication skills, consent, recognizing relationship violence, healthy and unhealthy relationships, and supporting friends. How many of you have felt awkward during a date or with someone you've been dating for a while? What about feeling like you didn't know how to talk to the other person about things like boundaries and consent? We try to get students to put themselves in each other's shoes, to give them some understanding of the choices they make.
It's nice to be in a group of people the same age who have had similar experiences.
The curriculum focuses on 3 different categories: knowledge, attitude, and behavior. We want to help young people navigate the stages of behavior change, recognizing when or if there is a problem, deciding to do something about it, doing something about it, and maintaining that change.
Sometimes I get into fights with people that I really like, and after I don't even know why it happened or where it came from.
I want to be able to have arguments with my boyfriend or my friends and not have it turn into some huge thing. I want to be able to deal with it in a way that's not so scary.
It's important also to teach strategies about how to deal with and avoid potentially violent situations, but also how students can manage their own feelings so they don't escalate into violence.
There's a lot of pressure in school and on social media to act a certain way or dress a certain way, and I don't know, I just don't really think that's me.
Just because you don't fit in with some people or groups, there's other communities where you can find acceptance.
There are a lot of misconceptions and confusion about what true consent looks like. So we try to give students the tools to understand and talk about consent.
Sometimes it's hard to know what to say, or you're afraid of saying the wrong thing, or you won't be accepted by your friends anymore, or your community.
It can be hard dealing with things like rejection and conflict, especially when so many interactions happen over social media. We want to help these young people better navigate what is always a tricky time in anyone's life.